Hey guys, so today I logged onto my eBay account and started to upload some photos, and I realized that eBay is offering a new thing and it's easier to make your photos turn white in the background. So if we click on our photos and we're going to go to photo library, we are going to find our item, click on our photos like normal, add photos, and then wait for them to upload. And I am thinking that I'm just going to do these for normally the first two photos, the like front of the item and the back of the item. So we're going to click on, oh, they keep on jumping around. We're going to click on the back one. It will pop up and load here. And they have a new thing right next to the trash and the crop button. It's called remove background. So we're going to click on remove background. Frame your item, so you want to make sure that you do not cut off any of your item, because this is what's helping the software like know what is your item and what's not your item. It's going to turn it white, and then that's all you have to do. Framed it like that, and then we're going to press continue, and look at that, it's done. It looks like it was taken on a white background. If we want to refine it even more, like say you're super picky or like it's a top-notch item, you can press this erase button down right in the center of the home page and draw, and then that makes the white come in. Or you can press the brush and the brush brushes away the whiteness. So as you can see, I'm brushing away the whiteness, and if I click on the middle button, I can draw it back in, and then it follows where I draw. So there, I think I like this. It's not a super expensive dress. I see down here, it looks like it maybe has gotten some, so I'm going to see if I can brush away. There, I think that is pretty good like that. I'm going to press apply, upper right, and there, it's all done. And let's do the front of the dress too. Remove background, frame your item, continue, and I like how that looks, so I'm just going to press apply. And I still can crop it how I normally crop it, and just crop this one too, might as well. Oops, not frame items, don't apply. So that is one thing, they moved the crop button, so I feel like I'm going to click on remove background a lot accidentally. So done, and let's go list your item. We're gonna view the listing to see how it looks. And there it is. It's super clear, but it has a white background. This is like super cool feature. I think that this is going to get used a lot, and good job, eBay. I could have even like whited out around the edges of this sweater, the top, like my wood. Could have edited that out, but I think this looks pretty crisp, and I think they're going to more of like an Amazon type of look, where pretty soon all of it will be on white backgrounds. So one thing that I saw people talking about is they're wondering if this technique, this tool, how well it will work with a white product. So I just got a white shirt out of my closet and I quick photographed it, and let's see if it works on a white product. So let's get my photos. I mean, yeah, this shirt is wrinkly, totally not picture quality worthy or quality brand. So we'll start with the front of the shirt. Remove background. My item's pretty well framed. You can probably do a little more here. And at the bottom, continue. So it does look like much more messy, I'd say. Let's zoom in. So, oops, not that. So as you can see on the bottom here, like this, where this green area is, this is like the reflection. This is like the shadow of the shirt. So it's not getting the whiteness, and it's kind of like looking like it's brown almost. I mean, this shirt is not 100% white since I have worn it, but like all along the edges, if we go up here, we can see it keeps the wood looking wood all around. And I feel like this would take so long to like edit all of this without cutting off the shirt, because like, yeah, you could just go a quick, but then you're cutting off the shirt and it doesn't even look good, I feel. So maybe if you had a white background already and then you use the white tool on top of the white background to make it look, but that seems like so many steps. So I'd say that this doesn't work with white products. We're not going to apply that. Like I like it on the wood way better than I like it on the white. I mean, white on white, I feel just looks a little funny. Let's try it on the product tag image. Remove background. So this is going to be kind of hard to be able to frame my item, but that's probably what it is. Yeah, like it, I'd have to erase all of this. So this takes some time. And if you're doing this for every item, I can see it getting a pain. But I mean, and then that doesn't look like too bad, but then you'd have to go in and oops, and do all the edges and then that, and I feel it would just be like such a long time waster. It's not for white items. It is for color, definitely. I mean, I think the white on white looks weird, like I said earlier. So if you're photographing mostly white items, this tool probably isn't going to help you that much. But if you're photographing colored, I feel like black, that just make it really stand out, like a camera or something. These are going to have really crisp photos for that. Thank you for watching. Be sure to go and subscribe to my channel. Check out the other channels that I have. I have a Goodwill Outlet video and some daily life videos about myself. Thank you so much. And let me know if you use the whiteout tool. Comment below what you like to use it on, or if you think that this is just kind of an eBay flop or an eBay success. Thanks for watching and keep on listening.